Hey Jesters, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be saying which order things sound better in. So I'm going to
know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Okay guys, so I asked my Snapchat AI again. I know I shouldn't be, but whatever. I did. Also my dog's here. You can see my doggy dog. She wanted in with me. But I asked my Snapchat AI. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I asked him for things that go together. Like the things that just like, two things that would go together, right? And I'm going to say which order, like which one sounds better. Like should this one be first or that one? You know? So yeah. I'll just keep going, and if you guys don't really get it right now, you'll get it as I go. But also comment down below your guys' answers to them if you guys want to play along. I'm just curious if you guys agree with me or don't. And if you hear, it's not going right now, but it could, like drilling or something. I don't know what it is, but maybe my neighbors or something. I don't know exactly, but yeah, I was hearing drilling. So if you're drilling, ignore it. Okay. Peanut butter and jelly. Okay, so is it jelly and peanut butter or peanut butter and jelly? I always say peanut butter and jelly, so I think peanut butter and jelly, but I usually say jam, not jelly. Okay. Netflix and chill or chill and definitely Netflix and chill, because I've never heard of chill and Netflix in my life. Salt and pepper or pepper and salt? Salt and pepper, definitely salt and pepper. Yeah. Coffee in mornings or mornings and coffee? I never really hear that combination, so I don't really know. But I guess I like coffee in morning. Or mornings and coffee? No, mornings and coffee actually. I like mornings and coffee. Mac and cheese or cheese? Yeah, definitely mac and cheese. That you never say cheese and mac. Like that sounds weird. That would just be crazy. Okay. Next one. Cookies and milk or milk and cookies? That one's milk and cookies. I think I said milk and cookies, yeah. Movies and popcorn or popcorn and movies? Movies and popcorn, yeah. That's probably the way. Sunsets and beaches or beaches and sunsets? I'm gonna go with, I say beaches and sunsets, yeah. Music and dancing or dancing and music? Music and dancing or dancing? I think either way actually. I think they both sound kind of okay. Music and dancing or dancing? I guess I would go dancing and music, but they're both like music and dancing, dancing. Either one. Laughter and friends, friends and laughter. I'm gonna say laughter and friends, yeah. Okay. Pancakes and syrup or syrup and pancakes? Probably pancakes and syrup, yeah. Beach days and sunscreen or sunscreen and beach days? Beach days and sunscreen, yeah, probably. Pizza and movie nights or movie nights and pizza? Pizza and movie nights, yeah. You can hear my dog. Rainy days and cozy blankets or cozy blankets and rainy days? Rainy days and cozy blankets, probably, yeah. Road trips and good tunes or good tunes and road trips? Road trips and good tunes, definitely. Okay. Peanut butter and chocolate or chocolate and peanut butter? Probably chocolate and peanut butter, yeah. Summer and ice cream or ice cream and summer? Summer and ice cream, yeah, definitely. Books and cozy reading nooks or cozy reading nooks and books? I'm gonna say books and cozy reading nooks, yeah. Rainbows and smiles or smiles and rainbows? I'm gonna go with smiles and rainbows. Rainbows and smiles? Either one actually, but probably smiles and rainbows. Adventures and travel or travel and adventures? Adventure and travel. No, travel and adventure, yeah. Okay, here we go. Mom and dad or dad and mom? I'm gonna definitely say mom and dad, because who says dad and mom? Like if you say dad and mom, that's gonna be weird. Brothers and sister or sister and brother? I'm gonna go sister and brother, yeah. Grandparents and grandchildren or grandchildren and grandparents? Grandparents and grandchildren, yes. Aunts and uncles or uncles and aunts? It's definitely aunts and uncles, yeah. Oh, we already did coffee morning. Rainbow and unicorns. Unicorns? Rainbows and unicorns, yeah, that way. Beaches and sunshell or seashells. I can't even speak. Beaches and seashells. That's like a tongue twister. Beaches and seashells or seashells and beaches? Seashells and beaches, yeah. Stars and wishes or wishes and stars? Stars and wishes, yeah. Hugs and smiles or smiles and hugs? Hugs and smiles. Okay, this is my last one, yeah. Tacos and guacamole or guacamole and tacos? I'm gonna say tacos and guacamole. And the rest are all the same. Wow, they didn't give me different ones. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. Sorry guys, it was kind of shorter. But, yeah, comment down below your guys' answers. I'm gonna do another one that I just thought of on the top of my head. Is mouse and cheese or cheese and mouse? Cheese and mouse, I would say. I don't really know, that one's kind of weird. Is there any more I can think on the top of my head? What about like day and night or night and day? Day and night, definitely day and night. What about loud and quiet or quiet and loud? Loud and quiet. What about long and short or short and long? Short and long. No, long and short. What about Disney and Pixar or Pixar and Disney? I'm gonna say Disney and Pixar, yeah, probably. What about Disneyland and Disney World or Disney World and Disneyland? I'm probably gonna go Disneyland first and then Disney World. Hot and cold or cold and hot? I'm gonna go with hot and cold. Yeah, I don't say cold and hot. I'm gonna go with hands and feet or feet and hands. Hands and feet. Yeah. I'm gonna go with lots and little or little and lots. That one I don't really hear very often, so I don't really know, but probably lots and little. Makeup and skincare or skincare and makeup? Makeup and skincare, yeah. Okay, I think that's all I can think of on the top of my head right now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys were playing along, your guys' answers. And you guys agree with me, disagree on each one, whatever. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Subscribe, comment, subscribe, bye,